Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today I would like to show you my most recent sketchbook. It's a watercolor sketchbook and I focused only on drawing different kinds of boats. So I've been through my pictures, like travel pictures and stuff like that. And I've chosen a few representing boats, and I've tried to do like those quick watercolor sketches. So if you would like to see that, let's get into it. All right, so this is my sketchbook, and as you can see, the idea was to make those very quick sketches. It shouldn't take me more than 10 to 15 minutes to complete each one, possibly using a blow dryer, which makes it a lot quicker. So this first one is a view of the skyline of New York, and there's that little boat here. It's a ferry that helps people get around in New York, and so the idea here was to make it a little bit of an abstract drawing. If you look a bit closer, you will see that those buildings on the skyline are not really detailed. I just used a flat brush to suggest their shape, but did not get into any detail. So that was the idea of it. And also I wanted to work with different shades of gray, mixing my own colors. So that's for the first one. And then here, well, it's much sunnier, as you can see, because we are into the Pacific. It's an island into the Pacific. And so these are they're kind of canoes they're using. So the canoe is quite narrow, and they have this thing here that allows it to balance. And so the idea was to sketch it real quick. And also I've made this second drawing, which shows this same kind of canoe that you can see here in front of like very nice vegetation area, and you can see the blue sky right there. So again, these two, I painted them together at the same time. So I would paint this one, and then while, say, the water and the sky is drying up, I would switch to the other one, and then vice versa. Okay, so what's next? We have a sunset here. Again, it's a sunset into the Pacific, and there was this nice boat standing there. Actually, you would be surprised, but the actual picture, it did get, it was this yellow. So there was no blue at all on the picture. It was so like yellowish and reddish colors. It was really impressive. So that's what I tried to represent here with my quick sketch. I'm not very happy with it, so I will probably try again on a different sketch. So there we go. And this one, well, it's different again. Here we are in France, in Brittany, and so you can see two boats, and the water level here is high, and then the rise is low on this one. So that's why the boat is kind of standing on legs, and it's mostly like there's no water beneath it. So the idea was to paint those two quick sketches and try to mix different shades of blue here, so that I can try to use different shades of like blue. It's more like in this area it's more like purple, and then here it would be more into the greenish. And also obviously here I try to work out the shadow of the boat. So I believe for this sketch here I've done a step-by-step tutorial as well on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to see it, you should just browse the videos that you can find on my channel, and you will land on it. And so the last one is this quick sketch. So this one is in Sydney, Australia, and believe it or not, it was just a regular weekend, with a windy weekend. So all these boats, it wasn't a competition, it was just a regular windy weekend, and all those people, they just took their boats or rented boats, I don't know, and it was so busy, it was incredible. So I was actually standing on a ferry boat, because they have like public transport boats, and yeah, I was completely amazed to see all those beautiful boats and the skyline behind. So there we go. We had a little bit of a travel session today through this sketchbook. And if you would like to try it, well, it's really incredible experience trying to do this quick sketches, like 10 to 15 minute sketches. And today we traveled then to Sydney, and then France, the Pacific, and New York. So there we go. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope I'll see you soon on the next YouTube video. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe. It means a lot to me, and you can also share it on social networks. That helps to make this channel grow. Thank you.